Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing why Turkey is the best choice for private label and white label clothing manufacturing. Let's dive right in.
Turkey, located at the crossroads of Asia and Europe, boasts a highly developed transportation and logistics infrastructure. This strategic location makes it an ideal hub for global trade and efficient supply chain management.
When it comes to ethical and sustainable clothing manufacturing, Turkey stands out. The country has a legal framework that prioritizes protecting the environment and upholding the rights of employees. The emphasis on sustainability ensures that your brand aligns with responsible practices.
Turkey has an educated workforce that excels in delivering high-quality sewing workmanship. From intricate designs to meticulous stitching, attention to detail is paramount. Quality control processes are also given utmost importance to ensure your products meet the highest standards.
One of the significant advantages of choosing Turkey for your clothing manufacturing needs is the competitive pricing. The country offers cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality, making it a favorable choice for brands looking to optimize their budgets.
In Turkey, you'll find a pool of experienced professionals ready to assist you at every stage of your journey. From design and production to logistics and beyond, their expertise and guidance will help bring your vision to life.
Now that you know why Turkey is the best choice for private label and white label clothing manufacturing, take the next step. Visit satanife.com and get a quote before making your decision. Let's create a stunning fashion brand together or supercharge your existing brand.
Don't miss out on the opportunity. Visit satinify.com now and let's turn your fashion dreams into reality. Remember, every great brand starts with the right manufacturing partner.